How to use built-in roller on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. So after click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. So after click on edge panel, so make sure edge panel button is turned on. So after turn on edge panels, click on panels. So first of all, click edit tools. So after click on this icon, go back to home screen, refresh phone and open panel, and you will see compass is here. So click on this three dot icon. So if you want to use ruler, so click on ruler. So you will see you will use inches, centimeters from here. So after using, click on screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.